from company Pavement Ends. We're going to be installing it, and we're going to have to do some custom work because we do have this harness bar here, so it might get in the way, but it should be interesting and we'll make it work nonetheless. Check this out. We're gonna do a test run and see how it fits with the bar. First thing you gotta do is strap up the two top ones. You put it inside the loop, and then you put it back in on the other side and tighten it. Alright, so after lots of trial and error, we managed to get it on. We had to be very, very creative, as I expected, because stuff never goes as planned. So since we didn't have the sound bar on, the ropes were a little too long. So what we did is we basically glued it and made the rope shorter. And then for the bottom, we had to tie it to the straps underneath the seats, like the little slider looking mechanism. And with that being done, it's some tight fitment right there. Next step is to figure out how we're going to put the harnesses. Alright, so this is basically the finished product. We got the harnesses in. What we had to do to get them in is we basically made a small incision right here and slid the harnesses right through. Now we're gonna put the sunshade on and go for a test drive. Alright, so we're inside now, driving approximately 45 miles per hour. This thing is better than I expected. I had very low expectations to begin with, because I know that there's going to be some gaps like right here, but honestly it's doable. I can do a long trip with this. As far as noise is concerned, it did get a little quieter. I can't really hear my exhaust as much as before, so I know it is quieter, but when we are going pretty fast, I would say over like 45-50 miles per hour, it does get like a little louder, obviously, especially since I have this. I don't have like an actual bikini top or anything like that. Now overall, I'm pretty satisfied. It is doing what I intended it to do, so pretty happy. Keep in mind that I did only pay a little over $50, so you kind of get what you pay for, and it is doing fine, in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.